Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Suzuki GSX250R. This lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 3,300 miles. Beautiful satin white paint finish. Gorgeous. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, twin cylinder 250. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.